What percentage of profit is considered good? Well, the strategy I'm about to unveil has already showered me with over 20,000% in returns more than 15 times. That's right. From a humble $10, I've pocketed at least $2,000 in 5 or 7 minutes. Unbelievable, right? Stick around till the end and I'll throw in a bonus, a crystal clear step-by-step plan on how to make a daily income of $500 through trading. Hey guys, Agatha here. I've been in the trading game for over 7 years. Last year, my annual income exceeded $1.5 million. Here is a game changer for you. I've got a support program for new traders. Jump on board by joining my free Telegram channel. Every day I share trading signals with over 37,000 of my subscribers. They just copy my trades and collectively we rake in $400, $500K in a single session. Plus, each participant gets my daily support. Join for free using the first link in the description or in the pinned comment. Today, our strategy is tuned for a lightning-fast 5-second time frame, meaning we'll be making money quicker than ever. Let's kick things off with 9 bucks, an amount anyone can spare. I'm confident that in this 5 or 7 minutes, I'll once again turn this into over 2,000 bucks with 10 trades. Now let's head over to the Quantix platform and tweak all the necessary settings. Okay, let's set the trade time to 5 seconds and the candlestick time frame to 5 seconds. Great job! Now let's pick our currency pairs: the Australian and the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar and the yen, the New Zealand and the Canadian dollar, and finally the Australian and the US dollar. Great! Our indicators for today are Bollinger Bands with a period of 15 and deviation of 1.2. We will change the line styles to 2 and choose a vibrant pink color for clear visibility. Next, RSI with a period of 10. Line style also at 2. Pink color here as well. Stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll spill the beans on why these indicators are so effective for this strategy. A quick question for you. Have you ever tried trading on a 5-second time frame? What's your take on the best time frame for crafting strategies? Let's share your insights in the comments. Now we're geared up for action. Let's see our 5-second strategy in play, aiming for over 20,000% profit in just 7 minutes. Let's get started. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. Let's go for an upward move here, placing the bet. On this pair, we observed the price drop and hit a strong support level. Then it bounced back against a tough resistance, causing the price to move sideways. Right now, it's going back and forth between these levels, and we spotted another small rise, supported by RSI data. Good one! The first trade is on the back. We've almost doubled our deposit, landing at 17 bucks. The Australian dollar and the yen. Hitting the down button on this one. The downward trend was clear as day, with a strong bearish momentum and indicators pointing firmly down. Now let's see how long it lasts. Yeah, another round of sharp analysis and we pocketed 32 bucks. Let's keep it going. The New Zealand and the Canadian dollar are on a downward ride too. Going for a down. Taking a look at the chart, we noticed rising price highs, and in the last move, the price even broke through the resistance level. A smooth downward rebound followed, perfectly caught on our short time frame. Yes, our balance stands at 61 bucks. Whew! All thanks to my skills in technical analysis. If you appreciate me sharing my knowledge with you, show me some love by liking this video. After all, I'm doing this for you. Well, for myself too, there is so much satisfaction in being recognized for my expertise, and I love seeing people benefit from my advice. Time to move on now. The Australian and the US dollar. Going all in on the downside, hitting the down button. We were riding an upward trend with short candles gradually shrinking. As the price hit its peak, a reversal kicked in, and we caught it. The RSI also hinted at a temporary price dip. Yeah, we've got 115 bucks, and it's time for the next trade, the Australian and the Canadian dollar. Predicting an upward movement on this one. Let's place the bet. Oh no, Typically after this type of bearish momentum, there is usually a bullish response. But we pressed the button a bit late. Oh well. The good thing is we haven't lost anything. We're still at $115, but we've just warmed up. Let's increase our deposit by 2,000%. I highly recommend taking note of all my strategies. For instance, in this video, I effortlessly make 34,000%, increasing my deposit from $10 to $3,420 in just 10 minutes. Watch the video, learn the strategy, and use it to the fullest. Click here or follow the link in the description. And now let's move on to the next trade. The Australian dollar and the yen. Alright, we are going for the down button. It's straightforward. Our downtrend continues with candles confidently moving down toward the global minimum. Along the way, we see a slight bullish momentum, but indicators show that the price will keep falling. And you guys know we don't argue with technical analysis, we trade according to it. Okay, our total now stands at $218. That's good. On to the next pair. The New Zealand and the Canadian dollar. Obvious one, going down. Here the trend was descending with strong bearish momentum, and there was nothing to indicate that this movement would change. So all I had to do was ride this slide. Yes, we've boosted our account to $415. The strategy is working like a charm. The Australian and the US dollar. I predict an increase here. Up we go. Well, this marked the very beginning of consolidation. We had an upward movement, consolidation, upward again, reached a maximum, and the price rolled back. And now we are back into consolidation. During this time, it's crucial to chime in on time. Yes! $784 at the bank. Next one. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. Down again, placing our bet. Bollinger Bands are indicating a sharp drop. Consequently, the price will continue to decrease for some time. Now, a quick overview of our indicators. Bollinger Bands display the current deviations in the price of a financial asset. It forms upper and lower boundaries, creating a corridor around the moving average. Smaller deviations and a narrow corridor correspond to lower market volatility. RSI, Relative Strength Index, calculates the ratio of positive and negative changes in the price of a financial instrument. RSI values range from 0 to 100, allowing an assessment of the overall trend strength and the current level of oversold or overbought conditions for the instrument. Our deposit has blossomed to $1,490, and guess what? We are not done yet. Brace yourself for the final trade. The Australian dollar and the yen. Going up. This seemed destined to hit a historical low, serving as a robust support level. And we're expecting a trend reversal. Additionally, the RSI is pointing to upward price momentum. Great, wonderful, fabulous! Everything unfolded just as I predicted. In 7 minutes, we made 26,000%, earning a stunning $2,390 from just $9. Yes, you heard it right, 26,000% in 7 minutes. This is a stunning strategy. I think you guys should definitely consider incorporating it into your trading. Now for the promised plan to earn $500 a day. It's simple. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel, follow my signals and trade with me and over 37,000 subscribers, and earn $500,000 together with us. I'll guide you, explain how to use Quadex down to the smallest details like which buttons to press. It's all clear, step by step, and completely free. All you have to do is copy my trades. My win rate is over 89%, so you don't have to worry about risking your deposit. Trading and following signals are a breeze, and the joy of earning a passive income of $500 every day is truly delightful. Just follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under this video and shoot me a private message. See you in my next videos. Love you guys. Bye!